Hello everyone. So I'm back. Fourth day in a row. Yes, fourth day in a row today. Today is June the 13th, Thursday. It's a great day today as market has performed really well again today. Not the best, but it has performed really well. And you can see now we are gonna straight away go to the chart. Let's go. Here we are. So let's see. First of all, I'm gonna talk about is first chart I'm gonna talk about is Jacob. See this chart. This is a monthly chart, and you can see that this is historical data I'm talking about. First of all, I'll start off with talking about its history, and then let's go towards the present work. Okay. So first I'm gonna talk about the historical data. See here, 1999 January. That was the time when it was IPO'd, I guess, or maybe we just don't have the data before that. Anyways, it started its IPO. It was sideways. It was going sideways. You can see here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. See, it was going sideways, 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 sideways. A little bit of a uptrend here, but still going down and then sideways. Again going up a little bit. Not a little bit. It was almost 1.8. Actually, this stock was very small at that time, and small as in it was market cap was very small. What is market cap? Market cap is the total value of a company. So this was trading at around, let's say, okay, it was trading around 13.8 when we should have bought this stock ideally, and at around 13 rupees, 13.8 rupees, and then see the uptrend. See 13, and the stock went up to 1310. So 100 times, 100 times return in just how many months? How many months? April 2006 to November of 2007. So 1.5 years it has taken for 100 times the return. So this is the power of investing. 100 times return in just 1 year, 1.5 years. So this was Jacob, and now you can see here. Then what happened is it started going down. You can see here, it started going down here from that 100 times return of 1300. Then again it came down to around 200 rupees. Then it was consolidating ever since then. See that from 2009 to now it is 2024 June. So almost 15 years. 15 years it is now not performing well. Given a great return in 2006-7, after that 2008 not COVID but 2008 subprime mortgage crisis had this stock made its downfall. A big downfall of this stock came in during 2008 crisis, and then what happened is it consolidated for the next 15 years. Still consolidating, but you can see here I didn't buy it, but I made a short video on this and on this channel itself, and you can see that when I made a video 2 days ago to be precise, and it was trading around 337. Now it is trading around 387. So big jump in its price in just 2 days. So it's big deal here. So this is Jacob for you. The next stock I'm going to talk about is Eat Parry. Eat Parry also, see this, it has consolidated from 99, and then it was going sideways, then a big jump again down. So it was a good opportunity to buy here 30 rupees and exit at 120 rupees. So 4 times the return in 2-3 years, good return. And then again it was down, then consolidated a little bit up, then down, then again it is up, then down. 2-3 stop losses were hit. Again we bought it at 455 rupees. We didn't buy it, but we, according to our system, it was buy entry at 455 rupees, and then now it is still holding. We are holding it at 720 rupees. So this was a good trade again. Sugar industry is performing well today. This sector is one to watch out for. Okay, Eat Parry. Next stock is NCC. NCC is a stock which I bought recently in this month of June of 2024. You can see this big sideways move here from 95 to 1995 to 2004, almost 10 years it was consolidating, and then it gave a good breakout move. So we had to buy at 16 rupees, and then it went up, and we had to sell it at maybe 90 rupees. And this was again a buy entry. Then again it gave a move, buy entry again at 136, and then exit at 139 rupees. So no profit, no loss. Then it went down. 2008 crisis hit this stock as well. Again, then consolidation for a long time, and now it is opportunity to buy here. In the month of June of 2024, I bought this stock NCC a little less. It was down a little bit at that time, just after election results. I bought this stock, and this is it for NCC. And next stock I'm going to talk about is Coal India. Again, this stock I bought in 2024 June month of 2024. You can see in November of 2010 it started its IPO. I guess it doesn't have its back data. Maybe it had its IPO done in 2010. Anyways, it was not performing well after its IPO. It went down again. Now again in the month of June of 2024, it is good opportunity to buy. Good opportunity to buy again. I bought this stock at this rate. It is a little bit in loss, but it is for long term. So I am holding it. I'm gonna hold it for long term. So this was it for today, and it was a great day for today. And again, I'm gonna be back tomorrow, and we are gonna be back tomorrow. Thank you very much. If you like this content, subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you very much. Thank you.